Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we have this data over here. I'd like you to go to the bottom right portion of Excel and click on the page break preview. This is what our page would look like when we print them out or export them as a PDF from Microsoft Excel. Now, since we have 3 pages over here, we'd like to number those pages so that the viewers wouldn't get confused on which page they're looking at. Now, we should go straight to the Page Layout tab on the bottom right portion of Excel. As you can see, we have our data over here separated in 3 pages. Since we have them over here, to add the page number, as we said before, click on anywhere on the header. Usually it's placed on the upper left or upper right. Let's try choosing the upper left corner for now. Once we click on that, all we have to do is go to the header and footer elements and click on the page number. Notice that Excel printed out a formula instead of a number. This is because once we click outside of the header, we would see all of the pages over here be numbered from 1 to 3. Now, we could do the same for the bottom part of Excel. Once we click on that, just go to the header and footer options again on the top portion of Excel and click on page number. Once we've done that, it should be visible to all of the pages. Now, let's try to get a new format for the header. Let's say I'd like to actually show the number of total pages that our spreadsheet has. All we have to do is type on the slash, click on space again, and go to the header and footer section and go and click the number of total pages or the number of pages. Once we do that, just click outside the spreadsheet again, and we should be able to see 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3, and 3 out of 3 for the pages in our spreadsheet. We could do the same for the bottom part. And there we have it. This is how we insert page numbers in Microsoft Excel.